Hi, I'm Joey Morrow with the Gears program, and this is Wild Facts, where the facts are wild and so are the cats. 'Tis the season of the turkey, fa la 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 la. Did you know it makes you sleepy, fa la 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 la. Well, it's true. In foods such as turkey, chicken, cheese, exists an amino acid known as tryptophan, which makes us sleepy. But not directly. Our bodies turn tryptophan into a B vitamin known as niacin. Niacin is a key ingredient in serotonin. Serotonin affects our melatonin levels, and thus we get sleepy. But Billy Mays once said, "But wait, there's more!" Tryptophan is one of the many amino acids found in turkey, all of which are competing to get to our brains. But tryptophan isn't very good at competition and usually ends up losing, unless he has a little help from his good old buddy carbohydrates. Carbs have insulin. Insulin will clear out all the other amino acids except for tryptophan. So our boy Trypto can just scoot on down to the finish line and into our brains. But let's be real here. Most of you don't need turkey to fall asleep. All you need is a 5-minute history lesson and you're out in 2. Anyway, I'm Joey Morrow with Gears program, and this is Wild Facts, where the facts are wild and so are the turkey?